In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image gallery to your Kajabi landing page. Whether you're showcasing your photography, products, or just want to add some visual flair to your page, having an image gallery can significantly enhance your site's appeal. Let's begin by logging into Kajabi. Once you've signed in, navigate over to the website section. From there, you'll want to go to Pages and then select Landing Pages. This is where you can find the specific landing page you want to edit. Simply locate it and click on Edit to get started with making your changes. Now that you're in the page editor, it's time to add a new section to house your gallery. You'll see an option to plus add section. Click on this. You will be presented with various section templates that Kajabi offers, but for our purposes, we have two main options to consider. First, there's the image gallery template, which is a pre-built grid designed for multiple photos. This is perfect if you want a straightforward, organized layout. Alternatively, if you're more interested in a custom design, you can opt for the custom content template, which allows you to add multiple image blocks to create a unique look. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and select Image Gallery and then click Add. Once you've added the section, it's time to upload your images. You'll notice placeholders in the left sidebar for each gallery item. Click on each of these image blocks where you'll be able to upload an image. You can choose from standard file types like JPG or PNG. Besides just uploading images, you also have the choice to include captions or titles. These can provide additional context or details about your images and make them more engaging for viewers. Moreover, if you want to add functionality, you can include links. This means when someone clicks on an image, it could open another page or product, though this step is optional. Next, let's dive into customizing the gallery to match your style. You can adjust the layout by changing the number of columns, such as opting for 2, 3, or even 4 images per row. Further customization options are available in the section settings, where you can toggle spacing, borders, and alignment to get everything just right. And if you want to rearrange the order of your images, just drag them around in the sidebar list until you're satisfied with how everything looks. Finally, once you're happy with your setup, hit save in the top right to ensure you don't lose your work. To see your creation in action, use the preview feature. This allows you to test how your gallery appears on both desktop and mobile devices. Play around with it until the layout feels clean and loads quickly. That's it. You've successfully added a visually striking image gallery to your Kajabi landing page.